Hi there, today I'm giving this Volvo key fob a facelift. I've selected this cover off Amazon. I've gone with the silver look. There's a wide array of colors and textures you can do for the facade of these fobs, and I've included a link in the description below, and you can go check out if you're interested in getting one yourself. First thing I'm going to do is remove the front panel by pushing that down and sliding that out. Then this one, there's a little notch right here. Pull that, slide this way, and now you have that. So we've got the back cover. These have a real nice film on it. Keep it protected until you install it. And that goes on there. I'm also going to go ahead and install this nice lanyard that comes with. Go ahead and put that in there. Very nice leather feel on that. And I'll go ahead and remove this protective plastic. That is satisfying. There we go. And that's what the new fob looks like. I think that looks really slick. Hope you enjoyed the process. Take care.